Want to create clean, transparent product images using AI without any editing skills? Simply open Chrome and search for remove.bg, one of the most popular AI tools for automatically removing image backgrounds. Once the website opens, upload your product photo by selecting the image you want to edit. After uploading, tap the Submit button and let the AI do the work. Within just a few seconds, the tool automatically detects your product, removes the background with precise edges, and converts your image into a transparent PNG file. This makes your product look more professional and ready for online stores, marketplaces, advertisements, or graphic designs. When the background removal is complete, simply download your image and start using it anywhere you need. No Photoshop or design experience required. It's a quick, free, and beginner-friendly way to create professional, transparent product images at home using AI.